Hey everybody, and welcome to the Wolf Pit. Hey, tonight we're going to make some steak and cheese sandwiches. So what we have here is 3 pounds of sirloin that I've sliced as thin as I could. So we're going to let this sit out at room temperature while we go ahead and get our peppers and our onions sauteed. Alright, so we have a 9-inch cast iron pan over medium-high heat with about 2 tablespoons of canola oil in it. And so now we're going to go ahead and saute up 1 large Vidalia onion. So we're going to saute these down for about 4 or 5 minutes until they begin to sweat, and then we're going to add our peppers to it. Alright, now that the onions have started to get a little bit of color and begun to sweat, we're going to go ahead and add in 1 large green bell pepper that's sliced up thin. Alright, our peppers and onions have been sauteing for, I don't know, about 4 minutes or so. So we're going to go ahead, and they're still tender crisp, so we're going to go ahead and take these out, set them aside, and get our meat going. Alright, we got our pan heating up on high heat right now, and we're going to go ahead and cook this meat in small batches. Now, as far as seasoning goes, I'm not going to use any salt. I'm going to use some Mrs. Dash steak seasoning, which is pretty good. So we're going to use that. We'll season each batch as we put it in here. I'm going to go ahead and pull the meat out now because we're going to put it back in here as we build our sandwich. So we're just going to brown it off real quick, and then we're going to take it out and get the next batch in. Get another healthy dose of Mrs. Dash. Alright, all of our sirloin is rare now, so we're going to go ahead and get ready to build each individual sandwich. This way everybody gets to eat all at once. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and build our sandwich. We're going to put some of our meat in here. Then we add our bell peppers and our onions. We just want to heat this through. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get our steak and cheese built. I got a hoagie roll here that I've already spread with some mayonnaise. Now we're going to put our meat, peppers and onions on here. Now we're going to put 3 slices of provolone on here. Put a little bit of shredded lettuce on top. And a couple slices of tomatoes right out of the garden. Top that off with just a little bit of pepper. Alright, our steak and cheese is done. So we're going to go ahead and cut this in half and give it a bite and see how it turned out. Alright, our steak and cheese cut in half, so we're going to go ahead and press this down and give it a bite. Look at that. Oh man. That sirloin is every bit as tender as ribeye. Very juicy, without all fat. The Mrs. Dash really worked well with this. The sweet from the peppers and the onions, and the coolness from the farm fresh tomato. The gooey cheese. This is excellent. Give it one more bite here. Sorry to talk with my mouth full. Thank you guys very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.